guys, welcome back to our channel Coins. Have you ever imagined becoming a member of NMBI? NMBI, the Nursing Midwifery Board of Ireland, is a legal organisation in processing the applications to join the register of nurses and midwives. Well, it's a dream come true moment for all of us. Shalbin Joseph, a true fighter, have achieved this tremendous victory with all our support. And we are fortunate enough to share his journey to the world. Hi Shalbin, welcome.
Thank you.
So we are eager to know more about you.
Okay.
When did you come to Ireland and where are you from?
Actually, I came to Ireland in 2018 and I'm basically from Kerala, Ernakulam, North Parvur.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
So would you like to tell us more about your family who are there with you from the beginning and about your workplace?
Yeah, actually my family is back home. I believe they can come back in February or something like that because of this COVID crisis they are stuck there in my home. And I was working in St. James Hospital Dublin because I joined in St. James Hospital Dublin in emergency department, and I recently moved to Navan. It's Our Lady's Hospital Navan. I presently work in Navan Hospital.
So you have got a really good family support and really good friends with you. That's great. So after moving to Ireland as a first step of your victory, you became the vice chairperson of INMO, one of the popular trade union among nurses in Ireland. How did you reach the position and can you explain the roles you played in INMO?
Actually, it was my necessity to become a leader there. Because when I came to Ireland, I realized many troubles. I was not aware that my family cannot come with me because of this general skill and critical skill work permit issues. That time I realized that I have to raise my voice. So I raised my voice and I could attain that after some times because all this permit system is government is changing that permit system. So that way I was a known person to almost all the people, mainly the nurses and from the overseas. I was writing to INMO regarding all these things and they invited me for one of their meetings and there were an election happening on that meeting. So surprisingly, I also participated in that election and I got good support from all the people because I got an opportunity to express my problems and what I learned from the problems, all those things. I could made a speech there. The people were accepted me in that time. So like that I got an opportunity in the election as well and I won that election in the INMO and it was in 2020 January, yeah. So that I came to this position and mainly this international section is they were mainly dealing with the problems with the nurses from overseas, and one of the problem from the international section is facing is that most of the overseas nurses are not aware about there is a section like this, and we encourage all the people to join in this section. Yeah.
So as a nurse working in Ireland, I wasn't actually aware about this NMBI election. How did you know about this election and what is the actual process in applying for the candidature?
Actually, I was not also aware about this NMBA elections. As I told you before, I have a good relationship with the friends and I keep speaking with them.
Yeah.
So what happened is that one of my friend who is from a local Irish media person, he called me once and he explained me all those things. There is a election going to happen and if you win, you will be like this. Yeah. So what happened is that, so I was saying them that I was not happy to go for this election and all, but they told me that you can go because I led already a program and it was successful. So why you are not able to go for that? I was happy with that, and then I was thinking I can also participate in this election. So I joined in that one. The main criteria for the nurses to participate in this NMBA election is that all the nurses who are registered in the NMBA board can go for this election. You should be a registered nurse with the NMBA and you should not be actively involved in any of the political sector, I should not be any of the chairman or chairperson of any of the government sector.
Actually, you are the perfect candidate for this election.
Thank you.
So let's go back to the present scenario.
Okay.
How do you feel about being elected as an NMBI person?
Actually, it gave me more responsibilities. I am going to be a representative of all the nurses in Ireland in the NMBA. So people trust me. The nurses trust me. I have to keep that trust. That is the main thing in this victory. They voted me because they trust me. They believe me. Like I can do something for them. So I will try my best to keep that things
Exactly.
that
Yeah.
in the responsibility. Yeah.
Good. So can I ask you a question? It is just out of my curiosity. How did you gain the support from all the nurses across the Ireland? Did you do any magic?
Actually, it is like I didn't approach to the people that not aware about me. Actually, I spoke to all my friends, and thus friends speak to their friends, and their friends spoke to others like that. It was spreading like that. So even though I do not have direct contact with many people, they were ready to support me because they
Yeah.
know me through their friends. I have something to show in front of them. I have something to keep in front of them that I have did this for you. The person who did something for them previously can continue his work for more like
Yeah,
that.
that's
So
correct. Yeah. Yeah. I think this is one of the reason why we should have friends.
yeah,
And I think so your news spread like a chain. So your friends carried out and their
yes,
friends
yes,
and their
yes,
friends. So yeah, that's
yes,
actually
it's like
really
that.
good.
Yes, yes.
So definitely there will be some kind of challenges that you might have faced. Would you like to talk about it?
Yeah, of course. When we are going to a poll, you definitely have to face change. We have to face stress. We have to face the competition from opposite candidates. Everything we have to face. In the beginning, I was not aware about all those things. I was a little bit lazy in the beginning, and I was not working hard. But later, I realized that I have to work hard to win. And I have to reach into many people. So this way, I spoke to my friends to tell to their friends, and they told like that. It was like a chain, as you told.
Okay. So we all know that with your great initiation and willpower, there is no such differentiation as general nurse or BSc nurse in Ireland. Both of the categories get critical skill visa. Likewise, is there any future plans in your mind?
Actually, at the moment, I have some plans, but I don't think that it is the time to explain that in front of you. Like, because I will definitely come with that because it's not properly planned and properly designed. I don't disclose that before that. So anyway, I have certain plans. It may
Yeah,
not be
and
for only.
yeah, we'll keep that as a secret at the moment.
Yeah, it may not be only for the nurses, but also for the betterment for all the people in Ireland. Yeah.
So, all the best for your future plans. I just heard that the registration process is going online now. How is this going to help the overseas nurses? What's your view about it?
Yeah, I believe it is a fantastic thing. Like it is mainly because of the side effect of COVID. So most of the platform come into online, and it will save time and it will save money. Like
Yeah, exactly.
for
Yeah.
yeah, if you are going for a registration, it is easy. You can upload the things into the platform and it will be fast for the NMB. Also it is very easy to check the things and they can update in the online platform, though you can know that what all things are there, what all things is required. It is very fast process, it will be like that. So I believe it is a fantastic thing going to happen. I think this is 28th, they started already, but some problems, it's not properly working at the moment, but in coming days, yeah, it will be perfect. Yeah.
Yeah, that will be really great. So, once again, congratulations for your big achievement and thank you so much for spending your valuable time with us.
Thank you so much to the Coins, and I would like to use this opportunity to express my thank and gratitude to all the people who supported me for this election. Mainly all the nurses who supported me this election, especially the Coins. All the nurses from Cork has given me a wonderful support. They voted me. I think almost all of them are around 90% of the nurses from Cork. Coins supported me. I got a good support, and because of you people, I am here. Oh, once again, thank you very much to Coins and all the nurses from Ireland. Thank you for your support.
We are always there with you, Shalvin. So,
Thank,
thank you so much for all your time.
thank you.
So guys, that was a wonderful talk with Mr. Shalvin Joseph, recently elected NMBI candidate. So if you like this video, Please share, like and subscribe our channel Coins. And this is me Albia signing off from Team Coins. Bye.